Pizza is a beautiful form of art. A good buddy of mine gave me a detailed one-on-one course on how to make Neapolitan style pizza. So today I'm going to share my learnings with you so that way you can make Neapolitan style pizza at home. If you want to wow guests at a party, this right here is the food you want to be serving. This tomato sauce is really simple and does not take many ingredients. The first thing you're going to need is some Italian style tomatoes. The tomatoes that you want to look for is San Marzano tomatoes. That is the most common tomato that is used in Italian cuisine. So we will need a 28-ounce can of tomatoes, a half of an onion, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 3 to 4 basil leaves, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 carrot for sweetness in our sauce, and a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then to finish it all off, all we need is salt and pepper. In a blender, we're going to take our onion, garlic, basil, and olive oil, and we're going to puree this as much as possible. In a saucepan over medium heat, add in your tomatoes and bring them up to temperature. And once they're up to temperature, you want to start smashing the tomatoes. You want to get this liquefied. Now add in the puree and mix well. Once we have everything mixed, we're going to add in our carrot and our Italian seasoning and season with salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have everything incorporated, we're going to reduce the heat down to medium-low and we're going to let this simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes just until we get out the right amount of moisture that you like for your sauce. Once the sauce has reduced and you got some of the moisture out, go ahead and remove the carrots and check for seasoning. Place the sauce in a mason jar and allow it to come to room temperature before you put it in the fridge. After the sauce has cooled and you feel that it's a little chunky, go ahead and run it through a blender. Blend it to the consistency you're looking for and your sauce is done. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As always, I'll leave the link in the video description and in the comment section so that way you could go to my website, cookingwithkirby.com, to get the full printable recipe. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. That way you can see future videos just like this. And also you can follow along the pizza series so that way you can get a deep dive in Neapolitan style pizza. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.